Alright, so today we are going to cut the fenders on my veloster to put on the fender flares, over fenders, wide body, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. So I can fit the 275 10.5 wheels on it. So first thing I'm going to do is just drill the holes out for the fender flares. Pretty boring stuff, so I'm just going to skip that. Alright, so I just got done cutting out the holes for the hardware on the flares. It's made out of fiberglass, that's why I was wearing the mask so I don't breathe it in. But now I'm going to pull back the car in because I want to work on the fronts first, and it's a pretty nice day out. I'm going to tape the fender off and then I'm going to measure and start cutting. So here we go. Alright, so it's taped up, car is jacked up, it's on a jack stand, so now I'm going to fit the fender flare, mark where the holes are going to be, and then we can get it from there. So there is no how-to guide on how to install these flares. They are almost self-explanatory. Alright, here we go. So I don't think I'm going to need mud flaps, or at least for now. So while I have the front wheel off, I'm going to take them off. Oh, it's so big. Alright, so I lowered the car and I do need to cut the actual bumper. I really didn't want to, but yes, I had to. Alright, first corner's done. We're gonna lower the car right now.
Oh, you got the fucking Jag, bro.
Alright, so the first corner is done. Got plenty of room. The only thing I'm worried about is this here, which I don't know, it should be fine. This I'm probably gonna hammer. Oh, I can't see right there. That I'm probably gonna hammer in or maybe just cut. But for now, it's good. Still have to do a test drive. We'll see how it goes.
Did you turn it?
A little bit. Took 40 minutes.
Truck.
Alright, so the fronts are on. I just took it for a little test drive, as you saw. No rubbing, only during some cornering, but that should, you know, it should rub it off pretty soon. If not, I mean, whatever, it's just during turning. So Seems pretty good. I don't see like any weird marking on the tires like I did the first time right here. So we're gonna go eat. You know what? This is the end of part 1. Part 2 we'll be doing the rears. So stay tuned for the rears.